Okay, we're going to fix a little dent in the Ranger bed. It's a pretty good crunch actually, but it's very repairable. You come around the side here, you can see that it's closed up tight against the tailgate. So there's some significant damage there, but shouldn't be too hard to fix. We're going to use two different tools to solve this problem. We're going to use a 4-ton Porta Power with a clam, which will help us gently spread this out with hydraulic pressure. And then we're going to use a 3-in-1 ball joint tool and a couple of pieces of plate to squeeze that crease flat to make it easier to work with. The ball joint tool is creative. The Porta Power and the ball joint tool are tools that any human can afford and can use. If you're thoughtful, you can solve all kinds of problems with those two tools. I also happen to have some slightly arched pieces of 1/4-inch thick flat bar, which are similar to the shape of the inside and outside of this bedside. So that will make the job much easier. Finger out of there. Reposition it. We'll get to that in a minute. We want a balance for sure. We want them to be equal.
Yep.
Okay, that brought that out quite a bit. Yeah. Let's do the next part here in this board in there, and it's under pretty good pressure. So now we're going to tap this in and move it around. Okay, now we'll reset our board. I swear I'm not a pileated woodpecker. We just sped up the video a little bit. Our gaps are pretty even on both sides, not just one. And our tail light, even though it's cracked, it fits really nice. Oops, there we go. All the way around. So we've now just applied the first coat of filler. Things are looking pretty good. We'll see how this works out. Oops. See if we can peel this off here. Always use this as a little bit of a time saver. Save us a little bit of sanding. All right. We didn't need very thick Bondo for this, so it just took one coat of filler. Pretty simple, and it had prior repairs done. Okay, we've gotten all of our Bondo work done, all our sanding. We did a base coat of Bondo, and then we used a catalyzed spot putty to smooth out the top of it. So this is now officially roughed in, and we're going to spray can prime it because that's all we got for a way to prime it. And off to the paint shop it will go. We used some self-etching primer from AutoZone. It's inexpensive and it actually works, and it builds up a little bit. Although if you look closely at the video, you'll see that it's runny. I tried to do it too quickly. So it's going to get sanded anyway before it gets painted. Won't make any difference. Here we have saved the bedside panel. Took less than 3 hours to do the whole project.